The other little detail is that you have to put a hole in your skirt to put the axles in after the skirt's in place, and you can see that here in this one. See the axle through the little hole there. I just had these little sheet metal skirt covers there. I cut them in half and painted them and glued them on. One of them fell off over time, but that's how I got the axles in. I guess you could put the tires on and then glue the skirt on, nail it on afterwards, whatever, but then you run the risk of getting glue and things on your axles, and that's not a good thing. Maybe this one will show the end view a bit better there. Yeah, this one I didn't have any spacer on the top there. Right here. It's just the base piece of wood there, and then let me get a measurement on that plywood thickness. Need about 14 hands to do this. It's between 3/16 and 1/4 inch thick. That's strange. I think it'd be one or the other. I'm assuming we didn't sand that much off it when we built these. But so you have to be careful of your wheel placement and things like that. And I'll give you a little bit of a speed secret here. On these particular ones, if you got 8 tires on it, only the end 2 are touching, so the middle 4 aren't touching. You can also see some little details here. I have some little braces in there. It's just like 3/16 wood dowel to help hold the skirts out. I guess I can flip this guy over, show you that it's basically the same construction there. You can see I drilled holes in there for the lead and all that. The other thing is that you have to maintain clearance underneath it in this area all the way along, otherwise you'll could scrub on part of the track, the guide part of the track. So keep that in mind. So basically the main thing for building these is just to get some wood the size of this. It's well, let's see, you'll know what size it is, but I guess I can measure it. Looks like 1 3/4 wide, 3/4 inches tall. So that's 1 3/4 by 3/4, and then by whatever length, 3 feet, whatever length you want to make it. I mean, to build these trucks, the trucks themselves are, you're looking at a lot of, you need about 1.5 foot, about 18 inches to build a truck. So that's why I say if you got to go to the trouble to get that wood cut, you might as well do 3 or 4 feet of it at one time. So anyway, if you have any other questions, leave me a comment and I'll see if I can make another video there to help you out to answer the questions. So anyway, hope that's a help from you there. I see this video is getting long too, so we will catch you later then.